Well, hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel, and welcome here on this very hot and sunny day in Scotland. So hot in fact that we have wildfires burning at the moment about 25 miles west of where we are. So we'll just hope that all human and animal life is safe. Anyway, that aside, on this video I take you on holiday with us. This time it's a celebration of my wife's 70th birthday, and although the video shows a little bit of that, it's more about where we were and the beautiful surroundings that we were at. We stayed at Logierait holiday chalets, which are just a few miles south of Pitlochry, and we were at the side of the River Tay and not far from the River Tummel, both of which you'll see in the video. It was absolutely beautiful and the weather was glorious. With that, I'll take you to the map and show you where we were. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give me the usual thumbs up, which costs nothing because it does help the channel to grow. So, thanks very much and take care. Okay, here as promised earlier is the famous map. I'm sure some of you have seen this one before. Right, our journey started here in Loch and ended up here at Logierait. Now, if I go in a bit closer and show you, here is Loch, and the B9015 takes down as far as Rothes. From Rothes, there's a short distance on the A941 to Craigellichy, and then on to the A95 all the way down to meet up with the A9 dual carriageway at Aviemore, just north of Aviemore. Down the A9 and we end up coming off the A9 at Ballinluig, over the flyover and just half a mile to Logierait, where our cabin was. You can maybe just see here the two rivers. The Tay that we were at the side of is here, and at the confluence there between the Tay and the Tummel. Okay, so now we'll just get into the video.
Bye.